So I'm back at the Milwaukee Makerspace, and I am working on making something for a coworker of mine. I've got it's like a little tripod or an easel, but it's got a living hinge throughout the center of it to allow you to it stores flat, but then you give it a curve and you can hold up stuff. So she wants me to make 3 of these for her. And I've got my wood here, which is horribly curved. So what I'll end up doing is, originally when I started making these, I did the center cuts all first, and then I did the outline. Well, what I'll end up doing is, so there's the 3 of them that she wants. I'll actually go draw a square around them and cut them out separately so that the warpage in the wood isn't as drastic, and then I'll go cut them out after them. So I'm going to go put some weights in the bottom corner of it and then get ready to do some cutting. So now that I'm all ready to cut, I've got my wood in there, I've got some weights on it to help minimize the bowing in the wood. I'm going to go zero out the Z-axis so that it's got the 2-inch focal. Well, it's going to be pointed at the center of the high points in the curvature there. And then I'm going to go print out just want to print the selection of that one piece. Those look good, and let's print it. So it shows my power settings, my speed. I'm gonna go hit start, and there it goes. So after a quick auto whiteness adjuster, I'm not all yellow anymore. So that's almost done. And what that'll do is help relieve the tension in the warpage on that wood. So there we go. That one is done. And now what I'm going to do is print out this other corner, and then that'll free up that main piece. So once again, just going to print the selection. I'm doing 95% power and 1.5% speed at 350 PPIs, which on the 60-watt machine here seems to work pretty good. And there we go, cutting once more. Now I am going to go put these plans on Thingiverse if you guys would like. And it's relatively basic, but it didn't take me that long, so I don't really mind sharing the plans with everyone else. So I'll try and get that up before I post the video, and if not, just let me know in the comments and I will get them posted for you guys. So let's get ready to start cutting ours. So what I'm going to do is just go delete the boxes around the edges because I won't need those now. Just beep that it's done. There we go. I'm actually going to go re-zero it. There we go. And then print out that. Shows that it's a new file, it has no time on it. And now that's going to go like crazy and cut out all those little lines for the living hinge. So when that's about done, I shall catch you guys back up. So it's still running. It's only been going for 15 minutes. Got a half hour before I need to leave here and get to work. So hopefully it's done in time. In the meantime, during that 15 minutes, I did get it all published up to Thingiverse. So it is thingiverse.com/thing1910691. And that is my living hinge easel. And of course, as all good people do, I shall put a link in the description. And, well, should wait a little bit more for this. Alright, so it's working on the last two of cutting out the outlines. This is always so fun to watch. And they are almost done. Fun, fun times. There we go, all done. And there you have it. Backside's a little burnt and all, but so see if I can do this single-handedly. There you go. They are done in time. Excellent, excellent. Alright. Let's hope she likes them.